OpenAI unveils ChatGPT Pro, a premium AI subscription service. OpenAI has unveiled ChatGPT Pro, a premium subscription service priced at $200 per month, offering users enhanced access to its latest AI model, o1. This model, previously codenamed Strawberry, is designed to improve reasoning capabilities, providing more accurate and concise responses, especially in complex areas like coding and mathematics. Subscribers receive unrestricted use of the o1 model, which has demonstrated superior performance in tasks requiring advanced reasoning. The Pro tier includes advanced voice functionalities, enhancing user interaction with the AI. This feature utilizes additional computing resources to tackle more complex queries, offering a higher level of performance for demanding tasks. The o1 model represents a significant advancement in AI reasoning, employing a chain-of-thought approach that allows it to process information more deeply before responding. This method enables o1 to excel in complex problem-solving scenarios, outperforming previous models like GPT-4o in areas such as competitive programming and scientific reasoning. While ChatGPT Plus remains available at $20 per month, it does not include access to the o1 model, making ChatGPT Pro the exclusive option for users seeking the most advanced AI capabilities OpenAI currently offers. OpenAI plans to extend access to the o1 model to enterprise and edu users in the coming weeks, indicating a broader rollout of this technology across its user base. This development marks a pivotal step in OpenAI's mission to enhance AI reasoning abilities, providing users with more powerful tools for complex tasks and reinforcing its position at the forefront of AI innovation. Leave a comment on the new ChatGPT Pro. Is the juice worth the squeeze?